Well, somebody tried to run over an ICE agent in Minnesota today, and the ICE agent had to actually shoot the person in self-defense. And of course, all the liberals on social media are coming on saying stuff like this. So here's my thing. If you follow the law and you respect law enforcement, stuff like this wouldn't happen to you. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's horrible that somebody had to die because of this. But as you can see in the video that I'm about to play, this person was speeding up and they were trying to run over this ICE agent. What do you expect the ICE agent to do? Just sit there and let this person just run him over at full speed? I mean, he was defending himself. It's clearly he was defending himself. Here's the clip.
Hey!